So question 7 has a tank and it's exerting a force on the ground of 10,000 newtons. The base is in contact with the ground. This distance must be 4 and this distance here 2. So from the formula, P is equal to F over A, and we know that the force is 10,000 and we're dividing by the area, which is in meters. 4 times 2 is 8. You can do this with long division, or you can say, well, look, they're both even, so I can halve them. So that's 5,000 divided by 4. Again, they're both divisible by 2, so this is 2,500 divisible by 2, and this is equal to 1250. That's newtons per meter squared. There is your answer.